3 breathing techniques to stay calm during tough parenting moments. Ever felt like you are ready to explode when your child throws a tantrum or refuses to listen? What if I told you there is a way to reset your mind in just 60 seconds without yelling, guilt, or regret? In this video, I will share 3 simple yet very powerful breathing techniques that will help you stay calm, in control, and present even in the toughest parenting moments. Ready to turn frustration into peace? Let's dive in. Dear mothers, I know parenting can feel overwhelming, especially when emotions run high. But imagine having a simple science-backed way to stay calm, centered, and in control no matter what your child throws your way. In this video, I will discover 3 powerful breathing techniques that will help you. Firstly, instantly shift from frustration to calm even in high stress moments. Secondly, regain emotional control so you respond with patience instead of reacting in anger. Thirdly, create a peaceful, connected home where your child feels safe and understood. This is my bold promise. By the end of the video, you will have a go-to toolkit of breathing techniques that will transform the way you handle your parenting stress, helping you become a conscious, emotionally balanced parent your child truly needs. Let me tell you, a few years ago, I found myself in one of those parenting moments we all dread. My son was having a full-blown meltdown over something as simple as putting away his toys. I was exhausted from a long day and my frustration was really rising fast. I could feel the all too familiar tension building up, the kind that leads to snapping, yelling, and then of course guilt. But instead of reacting, I did something different this time. I closed my eyes, took a deep breath in, counted to 4, held it for a moment, and then exhaled slowly. I repeated this a few times, and you know what? My heart rate slowed. My mind cleared. I felt a wave of calm wash over me. Instead of reacting in anger, I was able to kneel down, look into my son's eyes, and speak with patience and understanding, which completely shifted the energy of the moment. That's when I realized the power of breath. It's not just about calming ourselves. It is about breaking the cycle of stress-fueled reactions and choosing a conscious, connecting response instead. And today, I'm sharing 3 simple breathing techniques that will help you do the same. No matter how tough the parenting moment is, you will be able to cruise patiently through that moment. Do you know why 3 breathing techniques are essential for conscious parenting? Parenting is filled with high stress moments, tantrums, backtalks, sibling fights, and school struggles. It is endless. As mothers, we often find ourselves reacting impulsively out of frustration rather than responding with calm and clarity. But what if there is a way to pause, reset, and handle these situations with grace? Let's be real. When we lose our temper, we feel guilt and regret almost instantly. We want to be patient, understanding, and emotionally present. But when emotions run high, that feels impossible. The truth is, our children mirror our energy. If we are stressed, they feel it. If we are calm, they absorb the same energy too. These breathing techniques are simple and yet very powerful way to regulate your emotions. Stay present and model emotional intelligence for our kids. As a conscious parent, we have a responsibility not just to teach but to lead by example. How we manage our emotions shapes our child's ability to regulate theirs. When we practice these breathing techniques, we are not just helping ourselves, we are also creating a ripple effect that teaches our children resilience, self-regulation, and the ability to navigate challenges with calm and confidence. So if you've ever wished for a simple way to stay calm when parenting gets tough, this video is for you. Let's dive into these 3 powerful breathing techniques that will transform the way you handle stressful moments with your child. Before we dive into these 3 powerful breathing techniques, I have a quick tip for you. Grab a notepad or open a notes app in your phone. Do you want to know why? Because when you write things down, you retain them better. And trust me, these techniques will be a game changer in your parenting journey. Plus, at the end of this video, I have a free resource for you, a printable Calm Parent cheat sheet with step-by-step instructions of these breathing exercises. So, stay with me, take notes, and let's get started. Here are your 3 breathing techniques to stay calm during tough parenting moments. Let's start by understanding what is the power of breath in parenting. Number 1, breath is the fastest way to regulate emotions. When emotions run high, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Intentional breathing can instantly shift us from stress to calm. Number 2, parenting stress is real. Between school runs, tantrums, and teenage mood swings, mothers juggle a lot. Breathing techniques provide a pause button for those overwhelming moments. Number 3, breathing controls the body's stress response. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the heart rate and reduces cortisol levels, that is the stress hormone in the body. Number 4, breathing helps you respond, not react. Instead of yelling, snapping, or feeling guilty later, mindful breathing helps you respond with patience and clarity. Number 5, children mirror our energy. If we model calm emotional regulation, our children learn to do the same, creating a more peaceful household. Number 6, it takes just a few seconds. You don't need any extra equipment, a yoga mat, or a quiet room. This technique is practical, quick, and can be done anytime, anywhere during the parenting storm. Now let's understand why these breathing techniques matter for conscious parents. Firstly, it stops the stress cycle. Instead of spiraling into anger and frustration, breathing shifts you to calm, problem-solving state. Secondly, it strengthens the parent-child bond. When you stay calm, your child feels emotionally safe, leading to better communication and trust. Thirdly, it prevents long-term emotional damage. Frequent yelling or reacting in anger can lead to emotional wounds in children. Staying calm ensures a healthier emotional environment. Fourthly, it reduces mom guilt and emotional exhaustion. When you react impulsively, you often feel guilty afterwards. Breathing helps you stay present and parent with intention. Number 5, it helps in handling all age groups, whether it's a 5-year-old throwing a tantrum or a 15-year-old pushing boundaries. Breathing helps you maintain control in all and every situation. Number 6, it is backed by science. Research shows that deep breathing reduces anxiety, lowers blood pressure, and improves the overall emotional resilience, making you stronger, more conscious parent. Now let's understand how you should practice these 3 breathing techniques that can help you stay calm in tough parenting moments. Let's start with the first one, which is called the box breathing or the calm reset method. This is best for immediate stress relief when you feel overwhelmed by your child's behavior. So how would you implement it? 1. Inhale for 4 seconds. Imagine you're about to lose your patience because your child refuses to do homework. Instead of reacting, take a deep breath through your nose while counting 4. Imagine pulling in the calm energy, feeling calmer inside. Number 2, hold your breath for 4 seconds. Feel that pause. Picture yourself as a calm, steady mountain, unshaken by storms. This moment is where you regain control instead of snapping. Third step, exhale for 4 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your mouth as if you're blowing out a birthday candle. Imagine releasing all the frustration with that breath. All the negative energy getting out of your system. Fourth, hold for 4 seconds before repeating. This final hold is very important as it locks in the calmness before the next breath cycle. Number 5, go a step further. Visualize a calming color with each breath. As you breathe in, imagine soft blue light filling your body. As you exhale, picture all the dark, stressful energy leaving your body. This makes the process even more grounded. This is a great breathing technique to teach your child. Next time your child is anxious, show them this technique and make this a family habit. Second technique, 4-7-8 breathing. This is the emotional reset breath. It manages frustration and anger when you feel like you're about to explode. Step 1. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Imagine your teen is rolling their eyes and talking back to you. Instead of reacting, breathe in deep, thinking, I am in control. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. This pause disrupts the automatic anger response. Picture yourself standing on a serene beach, taking the calm ocean air in. Number 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth at the count of 8. Imagine exhaling all the negative energy. Picture yourself sending out peace and patience instead of stress. Fourth, use the mantra. Keep chanting in your head. I choose calm. I choose peace. This repeating phrase helps rewire your response over time. You can also combine the simple breathing with simple body movements like hand shaking or feet shaking to release the tension physically, making the breathing more effective for you. You can use this before stepping into any tough situation. If you're about to have a difficult conversation with your child, do this breathing right before, so you enter the situation with patience and clarity. Breathing technique 3, the humming breath or the vibration calm technique. This is best for releasing tension and instantly shifting to a relaxed state, especially in a prolonged stressful situation. So how would you do it? Inhale deeply through your nose at the count of 5. Imagine your child is throwing a big tantrum in public. Instead of panicking, take a deep breath. A slow breath through your nose. Exhale through a sound. This V sound vibration instantly relaxes your nervous system. Close your eyes and keep focusing on the humming sound that your body is producing. Listen to your own calming sound, which will instantly calm. You can also pair it with hand pressure. Gently place your hand over your heart while exhale. This signals the brain that you are safe and you are relaxed. You can also do this breathing technique during bedtime with your child each day so that they get into the sleep mode in a calm state. It helps soothe their nervous system and makes bedtime stress-free. You can also use it as a midday reset. When the day gets really overwhelming, you can choose a quiet corner and do this quickly to reset your energy. Now that you have learned these 3 powerful techniques, imagine how much calmer and more connected you'll feel to your parenting journey when you actually start using them. Which technique are you most excited to try first? Drop in the comments below and I would love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you, make sure to share this video with family and friends so that they can benefit from this too. Also, don't forget, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new parenting. Do you want to go deeper? You can also download the free Calm Parent cheat sheet in the description below. So you can have these breathing techniques at your fingertips when you need them the most. Join my private community, the Magical Parenting Bond, where conscious mothers like you come together for support, guidance, and transformation. All the links are in the description below. Sign up for my free masterclass where I teach you the exact framework to shift from overwhelmed to empowered in your parenting journey in just 90 days. Again, the link is in the description below. Parenting doesn't have to feel exhausting. With the right tools, you can create magic in your home, one breath at a time. See you in the next video.